Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This quarantine period, I'm watching so many YouTube videos and I just want to cook something for myself. To be very honest, I don't cook a lot, but when I cook for so many days, and I think those days are back. I feel like cooking something. So there's this one food hack which is going viral online, and there's this cake which includes just three ingredients and people are going crazy on that cake. I want to try it by myself. To be very honest, I'm not the greatest baker ever. I don't bake stuff. I don't know how to bake, but this one does not gonna require any oven or microwave. You're gonna do it on stove, on gas. So let's see how it works, and I don't know how it will end up becoming. Like, I have no idea कि ये कैसा होने वाला है. So I am quite excited about it by myself. So let's see and let's get started. So guys, I have two bowls right over here. In this one I have Anmol chocolate biscuits because it's a brand, unlike Oreo, so fancy. I'm going to be using Anmol because I have these ones at home. I'm not going outside. So there, my gym powers. It's not opening. Oh shit! Oh, finally. Gym करने का कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ. So I'm just going to open them in one bowl, and then you have to do your favorite part. It's so creepy. I'll show you the face. It's so creepy and it's so scary. And then with the help of a butter knife, you just have to remove the cream into the other bowl. It's gonna take some time, but I think it's going to be worth it. I mean, that lady showed it like this. She removed it so nicely, and look at this. It's a scrap. Hopefully ये बन जाए cake. I don't know. I'll show you how it's done. I can't. निकल गया. It's not like I don't cook. I cook a lot, but sometimes I cook a lot. Like, there are days when I just cook like every other day, but I'm like a bit bad at baking. But this process is not gonna require any baking. Like, you do not need any oven or microwave. We're gonna do it on gas, on stove. So I think that's the easiest part about it. Even a person like me who doesn't know how to bake, can make a cake and enjoy it. I don't know इसका taste कैसा आएगा. You don't even require any extra sugar or anything. You just require biscuits for now, and I'll show you उसके बाद क्या है. I'm just stuck at removing cream. I think you can have fun removing creams from biscuits this quarantine with your family. You have to make the best out of it, right? Last one. एक वो ये बहुत creepy है. इन्होंने क्या किया हुआ है? For example, they have faces both sides ना. तो इन्होंने ऐसे की जगह ये फेस ऐसे लगा रखा है, तो उसके फेस पे क्रीम लगी हुई है. It looks very weird. Like, it's way too creepy. But it's a brand. So we have all the biscuits here and all the cream here. A little happy dance. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है इन छोटे हैप्पी फेसेस को मुझे तोड़ना मोड़ना पड़ रहा है. It's so dark, guys, so dark. Back to traditional, नहीं traditional अभी हम कर थे. Back to modern ways. ASMR. मैंने बिस्किट गिरा दिया. You just have to 5 बंद. मैं एक जगह से बंद कर रही हूँ, दूसरी जगह से खुल रहा है. वेट. Finally. Okay. I hope it's done. Oh, 9. Almost. So once it's done like this, like sand, powder, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder like this, and I'm just gonna mix it well. I'm quite excited about it. Like I have like baked just one cake like in my entire life, and that was like hell yummy. This is my second time baking any cake. I don't know how this will turn out, but yeah, the ingredients are very less. Once it's done, I'm gonna add half a cup of milk. You can add any vegan milk. This is soy milk from Amul. I'm just gonna okay, so 1 second. I'm done with mixing the batter. It will look something like this. It should be this thick. And I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes so that all the bubbles set down. And we're gonna move on to the cream. Okay, so for cream, I'm just gonna add 1 spoon of milk, maybe 1.5, and I'm just gonna mix it well. You know how you prepare those dalgona coffees? You just have to whisk it well until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. It will work as a cream for our cake or pastry. I don't know what quantity में कितना बनेगा. So it will just work as a cream. So yeah, just mix it really well and give it a really nice, thick, creamy consistency. So I think our cream is ready. I don't know, इसमें थोड़ा grainy दिख रहा है. I think I have to mix it well for another 2 minutes more. But if you want some crunch, you can leave it as it is, I guess. But if you want like extreme, super duper creamy, you have to mix it well for more minutes. But I think that's enough for now. Okay, so jumping on to our batter, which was ready. So I'm just gonna oil this pan and I'm just gonna pour everything inside. I'll just show you. Bye bye. सो गाइज इट्स डन आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स. मैंने इसे फ्लेम से हटा के यहाँ मैं रूम में ले आई हूँ एसी के नीचे. मैं इसे ठंडा कर रही हूँ एंड जब तक ये पूरा ठंडा नहीं होता मैं इसे नहीं निकालने वाली. एंड तब तक हमारी जो क्रीम है वो भी फ्रीज़र में ठंडी हो रही है. तो अभी इन दोनों चीज़ों को ठंडा करना है एंड देन विल सी कि इसे कैसे हमें सजाना है. मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा जल गया है बट लेट्स सी. आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सा जल गया है. ओ नाइस ब्रेड. होपफुली ये निकल जाए. आई थिंक ये थोड़ा चिपक गया है.
गरम.
टड़ा! बहुत सारा चिपक गया मेन. मैं इसके ऊपर एक लेयर दे रही हूँ चॉकलेट की जो हमने क्रीम साइड में बनाई थी ताकि हमें एक एक्स्ट्रा लेयर मिल जाए चॉकलेट की. आई थिंक दैट्स द प्लस पॉइंट. लुक्स सो यमी. एंड इसके बाद I'm just gonna put it ऐसे. And then I'm just gonna put another layer of chocolate इसके ऊपर. It looks quite nice. I'm doing it with my fingers because I don't care now. I don't know. मतलब इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. दिखने में इतना फैंसी नहीं लग रहा. आई नो बट इसका जो बेस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा सॉफ्ट बना है एंड चॉकलेट में ये डिप्ड है. एंड दिस इज द फाइनल रिजल्ट. आई एम सॉरी यू गाइस. आई थिंक आई हैव फेल्ड दिस हैक. आई डोंट नो. गाइस इसको गार्निश करने के लिए हम ये क्रीपी स्माइल लगाएंगे. एंड this is our guinea pig. I made cake for you.
Thank you. ये करने की क्या जरूरत है?
ये कैसा लग रहा है? एनी एक्स्ट्रा कमेंट्स?
मैं ही तो लग रहा हूँ
यार तो सॉफ्टनेस कैसी है?
लग तो वो केक ही रहा है,
हम्म।
खुशबू भी थोड़ी वैसी आ रही है।
सही है?
हम्म,
कैसा है? अच्छा है? मुझे
सच्ची में
लगा
अच्छा।
बहुत खराब बन गया। आई थिंक ये सिर्फ दिखने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, वैसे अंदर से मतलब बुक को ऊपर से मत जज करो, अंदर की क्वांटिटी अच्छी है।
नहीं आले।
हाँ हाँ, I've passed. So guys, finally, I don't know if I've passed or failed this hack. Let me know. खाने में तो ये अच्छा ही बना है, but दिखने में I don't know. You guys know कैसा लग रहा है ये. So let me know if you guys want to give me marks. I think I would give myself 4. Let me know. And yeah, it was just a fun video which I just wanted to do, and I had so much fun, to be very honest. And quarantine में I think हमें अपनी cooking skills improve करनी चाहिए, and जो भी हमारी extra curricular activities, it's like I'm in school, जो भी हमारी extra activities है जिसको हम पहले time नहीं दे पाते थे, I think we should try our hands on that and improve our skills. So that was it. Let me know how was it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.